playlist. I know some of you will be like, what will I use YouTube playlist for, or what is the importance of creating a YouTube playlist? What's up, beautiful people? Welcome in and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, this is Nigo's channel. Yeah, this is Nigo's channel. So today, without much ado, we are going to be learning how to create a YouTube playlist. Yeah, you had me right, YouTube playlist. I know some of you will be like, what will I use YouTube playlist for, or what is the importance of creating a YouTube playlist? Okay, I'm going to be sharing two importance of YouTube playlists, and it will help you as a new YouTuber. Even if you are not new on YouTube, it's going to help you very well. So number one, I'm going to be talking about organizing your video. YouTube playlists help you organize your videos. Okay, so imagine if you are a YouTuber and you do a lot of things, which is you don't want to niche down. You want to be doing cooking, you love cooking, and you are creating cooking content, you are creating fashion content, and you don't want your videos to be too scattered, and you want it to be very organized and arranged accordingly for people when different audience come into your YouTube channel. Because some people will come for, I just want to learn the recipe for how to cook spag, and maybe in the process of watching it, YouTube will suggest another video of yours to them. Okay, imagine where you're watching a video of your favorite YouTuber. You will see that below the video you are watching, you will see that same person's video, but in another topic. Like, okay, if I come to your YouTube channel and I came because I saw a video that say recipe for how to cook spag, and I need another recipe for how to cook rice, instead of going to another person's channel to go and watch that, YouTube will suggest that to them. So instead of you having another separate channel for your fashion and another separate fashion channel for your cooking and what should I call it, videos, you can do it in one channel. How? YouTube playlists help you organize your videos, so you don't even have to bother yourself niching down. No, you don't have to do that, because you don't want to go through the stress of creating new videos or creating new channel and starting going through the stress of growing your channel again. So another thing I want to talk about is YouTube playlists help your YouTube SEO. Yes, SEO stands for whatever. Go and search it. I'm not going to give you all that. This video is not meant for that. I'm here to teach you how to create it, but go and search for what SEO means. SEO in YouTube. You get me? So it's very important to create a YouTube playlist. So today, without much ado, let's dive right into it, because I'm going to be teaching you how to create your playlist. So let's go, guys.
So you click on the YouTube app on your phone. So after loading, at the bottom you will see library. Click on library. So we are here in library. If you are using iPhone, this is how you will show, because you have watched a lot of videos. So you will see playlist and you will see history. You click on playlist. This the place that is showing view all. But if you are using Android phone, it will show playlist, like at the bottom of the right up here. So after clicking on view all, you see three dots on the top. You click on the three dots, you see it to show you create new playlist or help and feedback. You click on create new playlist. You get me? After clicking on it, You see all this stuff here, all this video you've watched before. These are videos I've watched that are under my main playlist, the one that playlist I've not created. So you don't need to click on anything. You see on the top at the top here, you see next. Just click on next. So when you click on next, it will show you title and private. Like, so you just put the name of what you want the playlist and title to be about. You get, then after putting the title you want the playlist to be about, at the bottom you see private. You click on it. So when you click on that private thing, it will show you public and it will show you unlisted and private. The public is everyone can search for and view. Unlisted show anyone with the link can view. Private is only you. So after clicking on public, for the sake of this video, click on create. So you have created. So you see, it will show you see list. You press on see list. So after clicking on it, it will bring you here. So you have successfully created a playlist. On my next video, I'm going to teach you guys how to add video under your playlist video. Guys, thank you so much for liking this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you share this video to some of your friends that want to learn something like this. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys.